Rag Khamaj Hare Krishna tune. I will sing the Hare Krishna first, and then I will be silent. You can repeat after me, or you can sing the swaras while I'm not singing. Gare sa gama pada nida pada pa magare gama pa maga. Gare sa gama pada nida pada pa magare gama pa maga. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Sani sani da pa da ni da pa maga re ga ma pa maga. Sani sani da pa da ni da pa maga re ga ma pa maga. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Sada pama mada pama ga ga mada sada pama mada pama ga ga. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. sa ni da pa da ni re sa ni da pa da ni re sa. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Okay, thank you very much. So I hope you found this video helpful. To watch more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel. And if you like the video, please like it and comment. That will help us with the YouTube algorithm. So what you should do when you're practicing this, you can learn one small part at a time. So pause the video, watch a small part, then pause the video, practice it a few times, then watch it again, and then move to the next part. Like that, you can break down the tune into a few small parts, and then once each part is easy for you, you can put it together. It's helpful to learn the swaras, as this will help you remember the tune, and it is also beneficial as a vocal exercise to sing the swaras. Okay, thank you. Hare Krishna.